everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So as you can tell by the title, today's video, I don't want to say it's like a bit of a different video because I have done it on my channel before. It's going to be a decluttering sort of new season transition for my wardrobe. Don't really know what I'm going to title it yet, but yes, that is what is going to be going on in this video. So yeah, I did it before about 6 months ago for like autumn winter, and I just thought I'd do one for spring and summer as well. So that is this video. So basically the score is that I am going to be changing all of my clothes. So I keep all my main clothes in here, and then I keep my like jackets, jeans and like jumpers in here. So I'm going to be sorting all of that out, but I'm also going to be sorting like this stuff out as well, because, well, I think this stuff might be alright actually, because I know that I'm going to keep all of that. But down here is an absolute mess. This is a pigsty. There's a photo in there that my boyfriend got me for Valentine's Day, but I've just not been able to hang it up yet, because basically, actually, I'll talk to you about this. I'm not sure where he got this from, but I think you can get it from like places like Etsy. But it's that thing that you get like the constellation of like the night that you met and stuff, which was really cute. But the only thing is that the clip to hang up with is on the side. Like, I'm not going to be hanging up like landscape, like, don't really understand. So I need to find a clip like that. I think they sell them at like B&Q or like tool stations, so I can hang it up here. Or I don't actually, to be fair, it might be easy enough just to take that off and put it up there. But yeah, that is a little job that I need to do, but that's why that's been in there. And honestly, there's just so much junk in there that I just need to sort it out. So I think that's actually going to be the first job. Okay, so I've emptied all of that. Well, I've put those back because I know I'm keeping them. But now everything is just on my bed. So I'm gonna go through it. I know that there's a few things there that I'm obviously gonna be keeping, but I think I'm gonna get rid of just some stuff. Like, I just don't use that. And I'd honestly rather the money, to be quite honest. And yeah, just go through it, sort it out, because I know that there's some boxes here as well that have some like random stuff in that I've like kept behind for like giveaways and stuff. Also, when I get to 500 subs, I'm gonna do a little competition, so make sure to sub so that you can be part of that. So yes, that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Okay, so I have finished all of this down here now. It probably doesn't look organised, but trust me, to me it is very organised. At least I've got space to put this up properly now. And yes, I don't really drink. I got given these drinks for like birthdays and like Christmas and stuff, but like I just don't really get around to drinking it. So if anyone near me wants a bottle of Prosecco, then hit me up. Okay, so the next part is to do the actual wardrobe part. So I need to get my vacuum packs from on top of my wardrobe. They're vacuum packs, but they haven't been vacuumed. I just use them as like storage bags basically. So that's the next thing I need to do. Also, I just thought I'd say now that I don't know if this video won't be like all in one day. This will probably be filmed over a couple of days because I'm kind of doing this throughout the week, so yeah, don't really have enough time, but we'll make it work. Hello, so it is actually the next day now. I started this yesterday, which was Tuesday, and today is Wednesday. So I'm back on with this video. It is kind of late though, it's 8:45. I was debating whether to even do this tonight, but I think I kind of just need to get down with it and get it all sorted. So I think I said that I'd done the bottom of like the mirrored side of my wardrobe, and now I need to go through the clothes on that side because that's kind of like trousers. I think I said it's like trousers, jumpers, and like kind of more wintry stuff than at this side because that's where I keep like all my t-shirts and stuff. But yes, that is what I'm gonna be doing right now. Also, I apologise on the lighting. I can't actually say that my bedroom has the best lighting, but it's something we have to go with. So we have a lot more room in here now. I've done both sides of my wardrobe actually. So now I've just got to go and sort through all of this. Yay. It is organised. It's an organised mess. So this pile here is stuff that has come out of my wardrobe that I'm going to be keeping for next winter. Like I'm just going to pack it away in those vacuum bags when I take that summer stuff out and put it in there, if that makes sense. And then this stuff is stuff that I'm getting rid of. Like I just don't wear these. Like I think I bought this for like my 19th birthday, and like that I bought this purple dress for like a New Year's, and like I just don't wear it, like, and they're just not really me anymore. And this green dress I think I bought for a party, like I just don't really wear it. And this red dress, I actually don't like that red dress, so someone else can have that. And then I don't really know why that's there. Oh, I like this top, but I feel like I could use it as a bed top because I don't really want it in my wardrobe. So that is what we are working with. Okay, that is all sorted out. Well, mostly anyway. I've changed my top because I was hot. So I've sorted this all out. All of my wardrobe. No, I'll bring you over. So this is what my wardrobe is now looking like. Yes, it's very full, but I am taking a chunk out of this. Actually, you know what? I might end up taking more out of it because I've still got my winter like coats here, which I need to go and put in my garage because we have like a clothes rail in there that we put our winter coats on. So when I get to do that on Friday, I will have space here so that I can move that stuff in there to here, and then I'll have more room. Well, that's what I'm hoping anyway. So now I've got to go through this stuff, which is stuff that I'm going to be getting rid of. Although I just don't really know what to do with it because I just don't have any room, to be quite honest. And I've also got to sort this stuff out, which is like bikinis, like summer bikinis and shorts and blah de blah. So that's what I'm doing now. Right, I'm done for the evening now. I've sorted the clothes out for my wardrobe. I have got a bit of a thing going on down here. I do always usually put like loads of crap down here anyway. So that is stuff that I need to sort out, but it's like, I don't even know what the time is. I think it's past, no, it's past 10 o'clock. That's all I know. Yeah, it's 10 past 10. I've got work tomorrow and I got to get up at like 6:30, which is quite early for me anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night today. And then I'm gonna pick this up again on Friday. Hi guys, so it is now Friday. I think this is the third day I'm trying to film this. So I think I managed to get all of my clothes done in my wardrobe, but I just need to kind of sort the top part of my wardrobe out this side and the bottom of it on this side as well, because that's where my shoes are on the bottom, and then obviously, and then my bags are on the top. So I just need to do that quickly. That won't take very long, and then I basically want to get onto my bedroom drawers. So I've got these ones down here that just have like hair stuff in, like makeup, just all that sort of random stuff, and then like those bottom drawers are just like for random things. And then I've got these ones as well, which have like underwear stuff in, and like my gym stuff, and like pajamas and things, because I have like short pajamas that I wear for the summer. So I want to like change that over. So yeah, that's gonna be the next 2 tasks, and then hopefully if I have time I can sort this stuff out, because that's like all the stuff that I'm like getting rid of. So I will have more of that. So yes, I've just kind of got to get on with it, so let's do that now. Okay, so this is all done and organised. Again, it probably doesn't look organised, but to me, I do just know where everything is, to be honest. And I've just done my shoes as well. I've actually decided to get rid of a fair few pairs of shoes, and those 3 pairs of boots are going to go into the garage. So yeah, I actually have quite a bit of room down here now, which is actually really nice, because this part of my wardrobe always ends up such a mess and it's always so dirty, and I gave it actually quite a nice clean out as well. So very proud of that. So now I'm going to tackle these drawers. So, not gonna lie, I have actually been to the gym in the time that I last kind of tidied my room, but I have finished those drawers, which I'm very happy about. So I only have to do my chest of drawers there, and I've also got, bad lighting, I've also got some drawers underneath my bed that I want to sort out, and then my room will be complete and it will be a lot more organised. Not quite sure when I'm going to be doing that. I was planning for this video to go out on like Sunday or Monday, but I think this will have to be a next week video, maybe sometime in the week or at the end of the week. But yeah, I will see you when I'm next organising. Hi guys, so it's now the following Tuesday. I was planning to do this yesterday, but here we are. So I have the last bit of my room to finish off, which is these drawers here, and I've also got some drawers underneath my bed that I want to sort out. And then I'm basically done. After that I'll just be like organising some stuff, which I don't really know if I'll film. I'll see how I go with these drawers and then I'll decide, but that is what I'm doing next. I've managed to sort all my drawers, well, the drawers from like here on downwards anyway, because those are kind of like irrelevant, but this is just had my like tops in, and then I'll put my shorts over here. I've put my like comfy shorts on top of my denim shorts though, because I kind of wear them more than my denim. And then what's in here? Oh yeah, I rearranged all my gym stuff as well, and my belts over there. And then this has got my pajamas and like my bikini and like loungewear stuff in it. So that is all sorted. Now it's time to tackle this drawer. Christ. Hello, long time no see. I actually filmed this video like 2 weeks ago. And I'm only just kind of getting around to editing it and uploading it. I realised that I didn't film an outro. Also, I didn't film like a last clip of what I was doing, but whatever I was doing, I got done. So my room is now complete. Yes, very happy, all ready for summer, which is great. So I just wanted to pop in and give you a bit of an outro. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm hoping I can be more active on my YouTube the next few weeks, because like I said, the last time I like touched anything to do with YouTube was 2 weeks ago. So yeah, being a bit distant, I've had a lot going on, not gonna lie, but we're back to it this month. Well, end of this month, going into next month. So yes, really excited for that. I've got some really good things coming on my YouTube, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.